Welcome back to OJ's Health Kitchen. How have you all been? It's been a while. You have been away for a while now. Today I want to show you guys how I make my cabbage moi-moi. I love eating moi-moi, so I want to do it in a calorie deficit way, which means eating lower calories than I burn. That will help me in my weight loss journey because it's a constant thing for me. I know why I do it all the time. So let's hop into the processes and the ingredients I'm going to be using. So these are the ingredients I'm going to be using for this cabbage moi-moi. So here is my cabbage, my red bell pepper, my scotch bonnet pepper. This is ginger. I'm going to add a little ginger. This is garlic. I'm going to use half of this garlic, and my curry and thyme. So I'm going to slice this cabbage into little pieces in order to make it easier for my blender to blend. So I'm going to add a little water to it also to enable the blender blend. After blending, I will sieve out the water because with the water in the cabbage, it will not form. It will be very watery. So you won't be able to get the desired firmness you will want from your moi-moi, because this is vegetable we are using. It's not the regular beans moi-moi. So if you don't know what to do, it's going to be messy. So I want to add a little cabbage to it to give me the quantity I needed, because I want to make this moi-moi for 2 servings. So there you go with the blending. So I'm going to strain the water with my cheesecloth. The cheesecloth I'm using is a big one. If you have a smaller cheesecloth, it makes the work easier for you, but with this one, I'm okay. It still gives me what I want. So this is it. Please keep watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section, and then subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new to this channel. Please subscribe. You can equally share this video to anyone you think needs this video. Keep watching. So this is how I do it. Squeeze out all the excess water, and then you see the consistency you have. So this is how it comes out after blending. You see that? The next thing is to add the rest of the ingredients. Everything is going into the blender. So those are my pepper, both scotch pepper, red bell pepper, ginger, and so on. Everything is going into the blender except my scallops. That is going to go into the blended moi-moi at the end of everything before I set it on heat. So this is my onion. Now this is going to serve as the binder. These 2 eggs you're seeing will make the moi-moi come together. It's not going to be as strong or as firm as regular beans moi-moi is going to be, but you're going to love it. So this is my garlic. my thyme, curry, everything goes in. Yeah, that's how we do it, man. So this is my seasoning. It's a little cube, but that is okay for me because I don't want it to be too sweet. Salt to taste. This is my salt. If it's not enough, I can still add more. I adjust it to my taste. But for now, this is okay. I'm still going to add a little water from the cabbage water I strain out. You see that quantity, very small, in order to make it easier for my blender blade to turn. There we go. I'm going to leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video. Now you see this consistency, that is how I want it to be. I'm going to add one more egg. That's a total of 3 eggs in 2 servings of moi-moi, which is still very okay for me. So this is my vegetable oil of choice. I'm going to apply it to my moi-moi containers in order to make it easy for my moi-moi to slip out of it when it is ready. If you don't do this, your moi-moi is going to stick to the container after you bring it down from the heat. So that's it. I'm going to pour the rest into the blended cabbage, just like we do our regular moi-moi. Stir everything together to combine. I'm going to add a little salt because after blending I discovered it's not as tasty as I want it to be, so I just add a little quantity. You would want to be very careful with your salt, or else everything would just spoil. So that's 1 serving. Second one. And a little remainder, a little bit above the quantity I wanted, but still okay, very okay, because I know my children would like to eat from it too. It's actually very nice, very healthy. It has less calories than the normal moi-moi, and it's very healthy for weight loss. That's why I love it. It tastes amazing. Now I'm not going to, this is my scallops now. I forgot to do this before covering the moi-moi, but it's still not late. I'm going to dice it and then spread it on top of the moi-moi paste before I put it on the heat. Now my water is steaming already. So you want to make sure you spread the vegetable evenly on each of them. Now I'll be doing double boiling method in order to make sure that my vegetable is not overcooked. This works well for me. So you see how beautiful it looks. You see, one look, you won't even know that it's not the regular beans moi-moi. You look at that, it rises very well. See how fluffy it looks because of the binder, the egg that is inside. And if you look at the vegetable on top, it's still fresh, it's still green. So that is the advantage of double boiling method. You just use the steam that is coming out of the boiling water. Just look at that, it's so beautiful. See that, it looks like, oh, it's so nice. Just wait until you taste this moi-moi. Just taste it and see. Come and have a bite, then you will know that this is fine. Isn't this beautiful? Look at that. So this is what I get as the end product. It's very tasty. You should give it a try. If you are trying to lose weight, if you are trying to eat healthy, if you are trying to consume less calorie, and you're a moi-moi lover like me, this is a go-to. Please, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, a comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. From OJ's Health Kitchen, we love you. Don't forget to take care of yourself. Your health is your wealth. Bye.